Let's create an example dataset for the products intended for use in the invoice process. To initiate the creation process, click on Create Dataset and enter the desired name. Upon pressing the Create button, the designer will open, enabling you to customize your dataset according to your requirements. These are all the fields that you can use to design your dataset. This is the key field, which is added by default. You cannot delete the key field, as it is mandatory and must be unique for every row. While entering data in the dataset, you can change the name of the key field. From the plus button, you can add new fields to your dataset. For example, the next field could be product name, which would be a text box type field. Let's add it. The next field will be price, which should be in a number field, and similarly, the following field, sold quantity, should also be a number field. Let's add both of them to the dataset. You can set the width of your dataset column by simply dragging it, like this. You can rearrange your columns through this option. You can rearrange it by shifting it up and down. Look, our column is rearranged. Let's undo it. After completing the dataset fields and design, click on Open Dataset to view your dataset. This is our dataset without any data. To add a new row in the dataset, click on the plus icon. Now, you can see that our row has been added, and you can proceed to add data to it. Let's proceed to 3 rows. Our key field, which is our product ID, must have unique data for every row. You can select your desired row by clicking on its serial number, like this. To delete any row, simply select the row and then click on the delete icon. To view the log of any row, select the row and click on the log icon. This is the log of one row. Any previous changes will be visible here. You can use filters from here to view specific data. You can use filter on any field of your dataset like this. As our both products have the same price, both rows are shown after applying the filter. You can use more than one filter by using an and/or conditions. Look, our filtered data is showing. You can download your data into formats, Excel file, and CSV file. We can also upload Excel and CSV data into our dataset. Suppose this is our Excel file. We will upload this into our dataset. Upload your file here. The append option will append new rows to previous rows, and the replace option will replace your Excel file with your dataset. If your data's top row is a header, then select this option. Otherwise, unselect it. Now, the first 5 rows of your data will be shown, and you can map your file's data columns with your dataset columns according to your requirements. After mapping, click Upload, and your data will start uploading. Now, you can see that our file is uploaded. If your dataset has more than 20 rows, you can see pages with each page displaying 20 rows. You can change the page from here.